What's up, guys? We're back. We are going to be opening a package today for the all-wheel drive hatch. I'm super excited for this item. I've been waiting on it a while. I'm really anxious to open this up with y'all, take a look at it, and also shout out the company that made it. Really grateful for them and the things they do for the community. So let's check it out. All right, guys, we got the item here. I already cut it open so we can check this out and see what we got here. Looks like we have a little package for thank you for the support. Some paper stuff. There it goes, baby. Let's open this up. This is for the all-wheel drive hatch. I'm gonna be opening this up live, so we'll see how difficult it is to open it up. This thing's wrapped up good. Do it in the box, it's better. It don't end up hurting anything on the concrete. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. So let's check this out. Come on. Now these guys went all in with this packaging. Can't even get it out. There we go. Whew. There we go. Bang. Brand new billet all-wheel drive carrier bearings. They have a little check right there. These are for the all-wheel drive system. These are carrier bearings. It comes with two. These are for your viscous coupler. Right there. Viscous coupler bearing. So these guys are going to be replacing those nasty rubber bushings on there with these beautiful billet units for this viscous coupler. There's two, one for the shaft and one for the viscous unit itself. Super grateful for these. These guys are awesome. They are, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. wEFshitup. I think it's wEFshitup. Now I'm going ahead and saying it because, hey, you know, I don't use profanity anymore, but that is their name, so we're going with it. You want to find out who they are? It's right there. Hashtag wEFshitup. So you can find them on YouTube. You can find them on Instagram. That's where I found them. They make these awesome carrier bearings for your all-wheel drive setups. They're at a very good price. They're definitely worth it. It's a must-have. Why would you want to run that nasty rubber bearing? So I really recommend, if you're building an all-wheel drive system, this is a must-have. You should not be wasting your time on rubber OEM junk. These things are amazing. I've seen the videos how awesome they spin. They're very high quality bearings. I've seen the video where this cartridge right here, you can actually remove this billet plate and replace your bearing in there as well. You can replace that bearing, so these are serviceable. They're all billet. They're beautiful, man. I'm really excited about this. I'm really glad I was able to get these and have these for the all-wheel drive car. These are one less thing I have to worry about. So next thing is we're building that viscous coupler. So stay tuned for that. But that viscous coupler is going to have some bling on it, man. Super excited. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate the guys over at wEFshitup. They are amazing, super nice guys, super helpful, answered all of my questions, even helped me with a shipping address change. Those guys are amazing. High quality product from a great group of guys, and he has a very beautiful EF turbo hatch that you need to check out. But guys, this is Chris, and I really appreciate you for tuning in to How to Honda and checking these out. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. I don't say it enough. I see I get good views sometimes, and I would just really like y'all to like and subscribe. You know, go ahead and follow me. Hit that notification bell as well. We're going to be getting a lot of videos. We got the 4 cars coming through. The RSX, the 10th Gen Civic Si, the 95 all-wheel drive hatch, and the 99 Integra K24 Turbo. And there's going to be some videos coming for that with that big boosted motor it has now. So we are super excited. We hope you continue to tune in and check out our videos. And please, please be sure to check out wEFshitup. wEFshitup. Yeah. Just follow them. It's right there, guys. Be sure to follow them. Give them a follow. Give them a like. Go buy their products. This is a must-have, guys. Don't waste your time with the rubber bushings and the bearings. Get these, guys. They're well worth it. It's a must-have. Check them out.